Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we will check out the latest construction updates of the Kolkata Metro from Haldiram flyover to airport's taxi gate number 1. So guys, stay tuned for detailed visuals and progress insights, including the ramp work of the new Garia-Airport metro line. Guys, right now I am standing at the intersection of the VIP road and the Shoroni road. As you can see, metro pillars are being erected here. The metro viaduct will approach from this side of the Shoroni road, then cross the Haldiram flyover, take a left curve and then continue towards the Haldiram metro station. Now guys, I noticed something interesting. Two of the pillars here look quite different. I am not sure why that is. They don't exactly resemble portal pillars either. If any of you know the reason behind this difference, do share your thoughts in the comment section. The construction pace here is still quite slow. After the Haldiram flyover, the metro viaduct will be built using portal pillars. These typically consist of two vertical pillars joined by a horizontal duct to support the metro girder. On one side, pillar construction is almost complete. On the other side, piling work has started. Guys, the official deadline for the new Garia-Airport metro line was December 2026. But looking at the current pace of work, it seems this deadline will definitely missed again. Guys, here is the current status of Haldiram Metro station. Unfortunately, there hasn't been much visible progress recently. However, the small 500-meter viaduct after the station has already been completed. From Haldiram Metro station, the metro continues elevated for a bit, but since the airport station is underground, a ramp is being built to take the line below ground. Guys, here is a clip from last month where you can see that the construction for the ramp was just started. This is the present condition. The concreting work for the ramp seems to be done. If I show you from another angle, you will notice that the viaduct gradually descends and then enters the underground section. According to some workers at the site, soil excavation work for this part will begin within the next 2 or 3 months. Now looking at the other side of the road, the wall construction work has begun. This is the stretch where the metro line slowly goes underground. Guys, as you know, the monsoon has already started and the construction areas have become quite muddy and slippery. On the top of that, my home is really far from here, so traveling such a long distance to cover these updates gets quite difficult. But still, I try my best to bring you the latest ground reports. Guys, this is the entry point where the metro will entirely go below the surface. Based on what I know, the underground section till airport metro station is already constructed. So guys, this was the current status of metro work near Haldiram and the ramp section towards the airport. What do you think, guys? When will this part be completed? Or how long will it take to finish this part? Drop your views in the comment section. And as always, if you enjoyed the video, hit that like button and subscribe for more updates. See you in the next one.